Hello, I'm Vasha Satish and I'm currently a first year student of MBBS at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. I cleared NEET with an All India rank of 355, JEE Advanced with an All India rank of 2327 and attended the Maths Olympiad camp organized by HBCSE. I first joined AHA Guru in class 8th for math and physics and immediately fell in love with both of these subjects. I loved the way they were delivered and always had so much fun attending these classes. I continued with these classes until I was done with 12th standard and it never felt like a chore to attend these classes. The reason they were so fun was mainly because of the way in which the lectures were delivered and the informal way in which everything was held. Group discussions were encouraged rather than denied, and we always had great fun discussing what was taught in class. And this is the reason why a lot of the things which were taught to me in AHA Guru have stayed with me for a long time. And even if they were taught to me 5 years back, I still remember them. The reason is because the concepts were always broken down to the very basics and then built back up. This is the reason why to this day I still don't believe in mugging up formulae because of the way in which they were taught to me in AHA Guru. I have always been able to derive stuff from the beginning because of the concepts that were broken down to the very basics, and hence there was no problem in bringing it back up whenever I wanted it. I attended Maths Olympiad classes from 9th standard, and the classes were structured in such a way that in a total of 3 hours, for 2 hours we'd be discussing the problems with our friends, and for the last 1 hour we would deliver it and present it to the class. This was so important because we could get inputs from so many people, from so many of your classmates, and this made it so much better and effective than just one person telling you what to do about it. And because of this approach, I love solving non-routine problems in mathematics throughout my school life and to this day in college. My mentors in AHA Guru for physics were Professor Balaji Sampath and Professor Rajesh Saragopan in mathematics. These teachers were some of the greatest I've ever had, and they were of great inspiration to me, mainly because of the way in which they enforced the idea of learning by itself. We never studied to crack a particular exam or to get a better rank, but it was always just to learn more of what there is. But in spite of all this fun we had, there were always systematic tests that were conducted almost every class so that we never strayed away from the path that we inevitably had to follow. Doubts were always encouraged, and this helped widen our horizon of learning while at the same time strengthening the concepts which were particularly there for the exam. Apart from the theory classes, we had a lot of experiments that were conducted to make the experience more enjoyable. Although these experiments were conducted in school as well, it was so much more interesting to watch them in AHA Guru classes because of the informal atmosphere and the way in which we were allowed to experiment more on what was already prescribed. In particular, I remember the liquid nitrogen test that we did, and although there was something to learn behind them, we just had so much fun freezing random stuff which we found on us on that particular day, and that was just, it was great fun and it was something I still remember. So overall, I had a great journey with AHA Guru, and it was one of the greatest learning experiences throughout my school, and overall I had a great experience.